Hi, I'm Victoria Edgecombe here at the World Biomarkets, reporting for WBM TV. So, can you tell us, what's the value proposition of J-Oil?
We have three key ingredients to what we offer. One is a very strong technology portfolio. If you look at Jetrofa research, we have filed 13 patents. We have a very strong breeding pipeline. We are probably the only company which has a successful tissue culture protocol, and we have the first genetically modified Jetrofa. Secondly, we have a very strong team that's backing us, whether it's in terms of the shareholders. We have very reputed shareholders like Temasek, Tatas and Toyota backing us. We have a very strong scientific advisory board that's backing us and a very committed management team. Thirdly, the uniqueness of the proposition that we have in terms of the business model and the way that we want to implement it in West Africa sort of makes us apart from the crowd.
So what are the main challenges that J-Oil is facing at the moment?
It's a good question. The challenges are more in terms of implementation. So the company has been doing research till now, and we are taking it to commercialization for the first time in the Jetrofa space with scientifically researched material and with technology that has been proven in smaller scale in different parts. So the challenges are more in terms of implementing it, in terms of finding right capabilities, in terms of finding right partners. So the way we are addressing it is through tie-ups with companies who have already done it, who have done large-scale plantations, and also seeking the support from our shareholders in the relevant markets.
So other than those things that you're going to do, how else are you going to take J-Oil to the next level? Okay.
So if you look at the business model that we are talking about, we are looking at an inclusive approach where we have our own farm and also work with the local communities to expand based on the demonstration farm that we set up. Secondly, we are looking at an agroforestry model where we have deviated from the monocropping model of Jetrofa and are looking at including food crops into the farming model. So it will be a combination of food, feed and fuel from the same parcel of land. Thirdly, we are also looking at the entire value chain. We're just not looking at one product, which is crude Jetrofa oil or biodiesel. We are also looking at briquettes for the local market, for the local demand. We're also looking at converting the seed cake into animal feed for advanced markets. So these are the things that we are evaluating for J-Oil.
Right, thank you very much.